right, guys, the car is on the road. The rear end is in. I did my toe adjustment. It looks like it has some camber. You know, I need to get it properly fixed, but the camber is nowhere near the concern that the toe was. The toe was really bad. So car's on the road. Unbelievable, guys. It works. It works. Hey guys, all right, the rear end is in the car. The Dana 44 is in the car. I needed to do, well, it needs a wheel alignment, but I needed to get the toe in. It had a toe adjustment. The rear wheels had toe in really bad. So I had to adjust that today. I need to get it good enough so that I can drive it to the garage for a proper alignment. It has some camber. I need to have that improved. I have no idea if there's caster or not, but the toe-in is definitely better. I can drive it. So I went and I bought a tool for that. I figured I would give it a shot. It's SPC, the Specialty Product Company. They have a tie rod adjustment wrench. It's very nice, very high quality. This is their largest one. They have 4 of them. This is their largest one at 19 millimeter. Well, the tie rods on the Corvette, on the C4 Corvettes, on the rear are just a little over 19. So this actually did not work. I was a little bummed out at first because this was not a cheap wrench. But I looked at how it was built and I determined that I could take a file and file down the button head screw that they had in here holding the spring steel in. So I filed that down, I put it back together, and I have enough room. It worked great. And let me tell you, this is a very good wrench. It's expensive and you're probably not going to use it very often. But it was almost worth the money because I don't know if I had room with the exhaust and how delicate you need to be around the leaf spring. I don't know if I really had room for a small pipe wrench. It would have been awkward. This worked so well. It ratchets just by design. So I was able to just slowly ratchet it. Very small amounts, but very quickly. I mean, this thing, it never slipped one time. It worked flawless. It was awesome. All I had to do was a very easy modification to the wrench. The modification means nothing. I'll probably never have to replace that spring steel, so I don't ever have to worry about taking that screw out. So, loosen the nut. I used a 22 millimeter open end. Be careful that you do not hit your leaf spring. So this side is toe in, so I need to turn this clockwise so it's going to suck the back of the tire in. So now let's see how this works. So it ratchets. wrench came right off. I'm gonna have to just put it back on the ground and see. I have no way of testing it. Just gonna snug this. Just gonna snug that. I'm gonna put it back on the ground to ride height.